Enabling dark mode in Android messages is a quick fix that saves your battery and makes reading much easier on your eyes. Let's get right into it, starting inside the app itself. First, open up your Messages app on your phone. Look up at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This brings up your account menu. From here, scroll down a bit and tap on the Message Settings option. Now, you want to look for the setting called Choose Theme. Tap on that and you will see a menu pop up with three different choices. To switch over, simply tap on Dark and then tap on OK. Your screen will change instantly and you have officially turned on dark mode for all your chats. But there is another way to do this that changes your entire phone. If you want a unified look, you can do this through your Android settings instead. Let's back out of the Messages app and open up your phone's main settings app. Scroll down slightly until you find the display settings and tap on it. Right there on the screen, you will see a dark theme option. Now, the important thing to remember here is that this toggle goes both ways. When you toggle this on, it does not just change one app. Your entire phone, including your messages, calendar, and system menus, will move into dark mode all at once. If you prefer your other apps to stay bright, sticking to the first method inside the app settings is your best bet. Either way, you now have full control over how your texts look, whether you want to save your eyes at night or just prefer a clean, dark look across your whole device. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next videos.